Okay, so starting this right now. So today we're going to talk about how to get a Web3 bank account. Screen, because I'm actually sharing my screen. You are going to see things I've written that will help us and guide us as we proceed into the video. So let's just get over it. So what's a Web3 bank account? A Web3 bank account is actually an account that you are in total control of. There is no external entity, just you and your funds, actually. You send, receive, and do whatever you want to do with your funds without like any other person probably controlling it, like the normal local banks we have. You know, when you send money, let's say like UBA or your normal local bank, you just click send and somebody actually is doing the sending and receiving backwards. But in a Web3 bank, when you do it, code is actually what's running it, because Web3 bank accounts run on what is called smart contracts. It gets smart contracts. So basically, that's the basis of a Web3 bank account. And why everybody needs a Web3 bank account. I don't know if you have tried to send money before from where you are, that's your continent to another continent, or sending money doing those kind of transactions are very risky one, and sometimes you get asked a lot of dumb questions that you kind of ask yourself, why are they asking me these kind of questions? But with the Web3 bank account, it's very fast. Like you can send money in seconds, if not minutes. So it's very, very fast. So basically, your grandma needs a Web3 bank account. Okay, so let's move on. Which layer is it built on? There are different layers because there are different blockchains. So, but the blockchain we're talking about today is Ethereum. That's where this particular Web3 bank account, that's where we're going to open this particular Web3 bank account. So, Ethereum to your Web3 bank account is more like is it the internet to your local bank accounts. Yes, you need internet to access a Web3 bank account, but like the underlying layer is the blockchain. You get, just like you want to access your UBA account, you have to put your data, then go to your UBA bank app and put your password and whatever. That's like the same thing with your Web3 bank account. But the place you are going to put your password is the blockchain. But in this aspect, you don't really need a password, because once you have created an account, you just click login and boom, you are good to go. So probably I'll show you, I don't know, I'll try to show you guys how this works by the time you get to the download part. So, okay, the next part is download part. So let me just shrink myself a little bit, drag my big head to this side, and let's go into my screen. So there's my browser. Boom. So this is it. Basic UI. This, you go to metamask.io, and this is like a basic UI. I will put the link in the description below so it will help you move here faster without maybe scrolling to different sites that are not worth it. So this is a basic UI, you can put it in dark mode, you can put it in light mode, whatever mode you feel comfortable with. So let's go through the websites. Here is install MetaMask or Firefox, which we are going to definitely do. So here is showing you supporting browsers. Like if you are using Chrome, if you are using Firefox like me, if you are using Brave or Microsoft Edge, they are all compatible to create a Web3 bank account. And probably if you're using a smartphone too, so you can download it from whatever store you have. So like I said, this is a basic UI, nothing really fancy here. So let's just go into installing it. Okay. So when you come here, it's going to show you add to Chrome, add to Brave. But here it's saying add to Firefox. So I'm going to add to Firefox. And you just click add. And if you can see, if you look at this place, it's already on my extension here. You get, but don't worry, I'll show you what this is used for. So you click okay. And when you come, like I said, it's a basic UI, nothing fancy. You have this fox that moves anywhere you push your cursor to. So you click on, before we click on getting started, it says, welcome to MetaMask, connecting you to Ethereum. Like I said, Ethereum is the base layer blockchain we are going to be using for this tutorial. So there are other blockchains. So connecting you to Ethereum and decentralized web. We're happy to see you. Thank you. Get started. So you say help us improve MetaMask, blah, 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 blah. Click on I agree. Now, this is a very, very, very important place. Look at how I stress the very, because it's very important. Now, I already have a wallet, but I'm not importing my wallet. I'm going to create a new wallet to show you guys step by step how to do it. Now, create a wallet. Here, I'm going to put the password, my own password. You can put your own password. Let me make it. So you can put your own password. Hope you remember the password you put, and you click the agree to terms of use and you click on create. You don't need to save this. So you don't need to watch this because we are going into it already. So click on next. And here is the important part I've been talking about. Secret recovery phase. Your secret recovery phase makes it easy to back up and restore your accounts. You don't want to lose this. Warning, never disclose your secret recovery phase with anyone. Anyone with this phase can take your Ether forever. Basically, anybody that has access to this secret phase can either steal your funds, or maybe even if nobody has access to it and you lose your secret phase, you may not have access to your funds again because you won't have access to your accounts, your Web3 bank account. So this is very important. It's advisable to take a pen and paper when you get to this place and just write everything down and keep it somewhere that you know you can always access it whenever you need it. So I'm not putting money here, so I'm going to show you guys the stuff. So let's get into it. How do I write this now? Okay, so let's go scan. Advice. Dinosaur. Since. Ready. Joke. Vacuum. Costs. Splits. Long. Rifle. And tree. So this is more like a series of words that is different from every other person's Web3 account. So this is like unique to you and you alone. So I've written my own somewhere and I'm going to click next. Now, when it says put it the same way you saw it there, so I'm going to go scan, advice, dinosaur, joke, costs, since, ready, vacuum, splits, long, rifle, tree. Oh my God, I guess I didn't put it well. So let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, let's go back to next. Okay, scan is number 1. Advice number 2. Dinosaur number 3. Sense number 4. Ready number 5. Joke number 6. Vacuum number 7. Cost number 8. Split number 9. Long rifle tree. Confirm. So congratulations, man. Welcome now, you have a Web3 bank account. Congratulations, you have passed the test. Keep your secret recovery phase safe. It's your responsibility once again. Now, tips on storing it safely: save a backup in multiple places, never share the phase with anyone, be careful of phishing. MetaMask will never spontaneously ask you for your secret recovery phase. Okay. If you need to back up your secret recovery phase again, you can find it in settings, security. Maybe we'll check this out. If you have questions or see something fishy, contact us. But let's just hold on. We are done. So yes, this is a basic UI of your Web3 bank account. This is it. This is it. So like I said, the base layer is Ethereum and it can be traded in USD. It can also be traded in your local currency, but for this wallet or this bank account, you're going to be trading most of it in USD. So here, like I said, there's no money here. So I'm not actually going to make a transaction. Maybe I'll do a video where I will use a testnet, not real funds, to do a transaction. But here you can buy. These are the various places you can buy from: MoonPay, Coinbase. And if you try to buy with these places, it's going to take you a lot of crazy time. Just like I said, buying with your local bank is worrisome sometimes. Then here you can send. If you already have funds, you can send. You have to put an address to send. Okay, wait, let me just, you have to put an address to send. This is your Ethereum wallet. You have to put an address to send. So if you don't, to send to somebody, this is your address. So when you copy this and you come to send, you cannot send to yourself actually. So, but you have to put something like this. You get to send, and it's going to tell you insufficient funds because there's no money in this place, so you can't send now. But you just, you get the heck. If you want to send to somebody, you have to have an address of the person's Web3 bank account, and then you put it here, and then the UI for sending pops up for you to send. Now here is swap. Maybe you want to swap. No thanks. You want to swap to USDC. That's USDC is like the same as USD, but in a Web3 bank account is USDC. This is like the base layer for USD, but you know, you get to know more as we progress. So if you want to swap, maybe you have it, you want to swap to USD, you want to swap to whatever, you know, coins that are on the base layer of Ethereum, you can do it here. And that's basically it, man. That's it. This is your bank accounts, and you can store, send, swap, do whatever you like. But remember, don't lose your secret phase. So if you want to copy your address, I've already showed you, this is your address. You just copy it, and that's it. So if you like this, okay, wait, one more thing. So you can view your accounts on Etherscan. This place actually shows, by the time, like you can see here, I have 0 Ether. So by the time you make a transaction, your transactions will be recorded here. So that's one thing with the blockchain that is beautiful. You can see every transaction, everything. Even if someone gets access to your account, you can still see whatever is going on with your account. That's the beauty of it. So it's very hard to like hack or steal with the blockchain. So this is basically everything you need to know about setting up a Web3 bank account. So if you like this content and you enjoy the value you got, I'll definitely be putting more Web3 content out. So like, subscribe, share, so other people who like stuff like this can get to see it. Love, peace, and stay blessed. Thank you.